Yung pagkain sa break room. May bago ulit na sample sa break room. Kaya ito, try natin siya. Hindi ko na kung ano yung sample sa cheese department. Try natin. Dili. Yeah, boss. Oh, cookies and cream ang kanila. Cookies and chips. Nice. Meron silang promotion, you know. Promotion sila. Sticker. Yeah, go ahead first. Sticker. Ayun, sticker. Sticker. Beats. Pamaypay, beats, tsaka sticker.
You have the beans.
Yeah, beans.
Like everything. You have
Everything.
cookies.
Cookies.
You know these cookies we have over here. It is
Beans.
$3.99.
Beans.
Sí, claro.
Pamaypay,
También si
sticker,
quieren,
and
beans.
beans. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And then chips and cookies flavor, you know, Seymour's. Yan ang mga pagkain dito. Ngayon tigman natin. Yan, o ito cookies na lang. Beans tsaka Philippines ng araw. Cookies Seymour's.
Really?
Oh,
Mama.
Yeah.
What is that? I need have one.
yes,
Have beans, stickers, and cookies.
Sticker,
mm-hmm.
cookies, Seymour's, beans, and tomato. And Seymour's cookies flavor. Crispy pack.
Stickers.
Ngayon lang. That's good. Hanggang.
Llévate ese donde
Ala, cheque,
no
llévate.
is long.
Dami ang sticker, oh. Happy ride, my month ride. Love is love. Love perfect. Freedom, tolerance, and quality pride, oh. Dami sticker, oh. Libre lahat to. Oh, love is love. And married. Yeah, what? Perfect queen. You know, perfect queen. Perfect queen. Peace. And not gonna be my pride. Pala ng stickers. Nice. Kanina, libre. Yung sample kanina sa cookies tsaka chips. Tapos nakakapal chips. Nice, yeah. Libre. Saan ka pa?